Cheryl was behind the scene to serve me the 10,000 million tin paper them. I want to try to prison who you so. Who I try prison who here so. Because what Shirley real truth of the story is you don't like me so you can't like my penny them. I don't know who you are trick. You don't like me so you can never like them as tricks you want. Me identify that long time. Because what? If you'd known about this situation from April, come out at a bus, you shouldn't wait till Saturday night when me, Rosalie, come back out on the net. You start shift up on yourself. Because what? You stick the blood clot deck, for me say change it. We are play the card on our teeth. We start stick all the deck. I'm say we not stick the blood clot deck. I'm say what y'all eat that here. We are play a card on our stick deck. We are play Peter plot. And uno win. Cause uno tell you so now win. And uno have the deck. And uno stick it for me. And I decide so uno now win no more. Change the blood clot deck. I change the deck for uno, you know. You know what keep with the look of blood clot girl, but what you keep it under hush. That's why the father took away her phone because he don't want me to know. And that's why the father abandoned Muso and I tell little girl, don't deal with Muso because you don't want a body for no because what Shanta will tell Muso. You look up freaky deaky pedophile brother where you have. So it's a hush. So no, I don't know. As far as me see it, you don't know. You just don't want it to come out. Because your brother, when the daughter tell him, and that's why when you and him call up Saturday night, you don't lick him. Because if you is a parent in rage about something that they heard about your child, you nah act then think, you act, you not think then act. You act then think. Because immediately I see you, Jakes, as what you say. Me act before me think. So, fam, you're so calm, you know. You're too calm. Me so long analyze how you're well calm over Shirley, you know, long time. And you know, say, certain things not happen. Like penetration, you know, it's a cover-up story or not cover-up. But no one me know, cause me know me a ball out. Yeah. So, when you finally get rid of the brother down the gas station, what the blood cut in the gas station go do? What the gas station go do? Who no lock up? Who no blood clot lock up? Somebody will do these things for months. Who no lock up, wanna make get way? I no blood clot, no? What I do to my blood clot, you charge? What I do? What I do? Come here, yeah, say, oh, Rose love her kids. Oh, I finally love them. What I do? What I do? Because I've analyzed all of this. You're too calm. Knowing you're too calm. You're too calm. Your brother just walk away. That's him do. The story never blood clot add up. And bear you blood clot in my so long and think about it. That the story that them add blood, them dilute it, appear for funky reasoning. Because Cheryl claimed to say she know Saturday night the day. And she tell the mother about it. And the mother say have to leave. So Cheryl even know for me the day and they tell the mother about it, which is the mother. Why you never blood clots and Marcia? I see or something this, you know. Let us go down to the station. Why are when me talk on a gas station? That's how me want to know. Why are when me talk on a one it gas station? I never talk, little girl wouldn't get no justice. The boy would have dead till him start fuck her and the whole I wanna know. Mash her up. Turn her in a goon, Google Mela. Well, I know we could not like little girl kind of do like me. And you Jake say eat your opinion like poison. You eat your opinion like poison. Especially Barbara, because him have a reminder of me. You can't tell me say you love your blood clot pitney and your brother do that. And him just walk with so. Him just walk with so. You run when big pussy shirts tell you go to the station, you run, go to the station for me. You don't run for follow all of them for prison me. But your mama gas station, Saturday night you not go with her. Your mama gas out of Huntsby. Sunday morning you never did it. Cause when the police called me, they needed a parent to speak to the minor. You cannot question the minor without the parent present. You don't know what that part they go. Then I'm gonna try to get JP for sign and stand that the blood clot statement there. Because a parent have to be there. You're not gonna know where the blood so good man where you go. You're not gonna know batty boy. You don't go no blood clot way. You over here try to justify the justice. Now you make your minions them now. I create this whole story for deflect the real actions here. The whole I will know say the paperwork them and the bag of paper send between you, Cheryl, liar, so cockinessa, and big pussy sassy. I don't organize, you don't want to organize. Nobody else on the food. We never tell pound yourself, we never ask on that. That's not what we are talking about. We are talking about you as a like a craft man when you're interested in your pitnat if you're second. So when I come say the kids them not go school because I'm go along to them in their school, I'm ask them in their school, you know what I'm tired of say lack of all phone contact. But Jakes, me have the principal on my phone, me can call the principal and get that attendance sheet. Me make gonna win. And win me make gonna win. Me not make gonna win. Nothing. Me just sit back and watch on the dig on a grave. Cause I have to drop in it, you know. Cause I tool on a dig. When I dig hole for me and dig hole for when I dig hole for me and dig grave for myself. Because when them in a my care for 12 years, body couldn't feel them up. And them in a eye side from September till now and look what take place. Who's a real unfit parent here? Me she bother the pan. Ooh. And Jakes. Yeah, she bother him and Jakes. Don't come on the neck, come address nothing. Make Rosalie, make Rosalie, make Akeem send her back to go and take care of her kids. She bother me never want to listen to you, you know. Cause me not go class, cause me not have time for that. I mean, I not go argue. When me go try say to you that a man and a woman can't have kids. A man and a woman can't have kids. Not no more, and the situation dealt with properly as parents. Akim never send me go to be a mother. Cause when me become a mother, me no know Akim. Him not have to send me for go do that. But I saw no one-sided, and that's why I'm not listen to you. No time at all because what? If you would have a rapper man Jakes on the beginning, probably me could have said, boy, bad too bad, you know. Bad too bad. She bad, he must talk truth. A PF rubbish talk. You never blood clot come here one day, come say move on a blood clot. And me eat the hog. Me see that girl come here, come beg and take care of that boy, them ungrateful. You know say it all now. You dissect a lot of things and you preach. And when you don't know, when I live for me for months, I'm not look for you, you come to preach. That's the real blood clot true story. So when so cocky Cheryl post a part about you, me don't look. It's a hypocrite. Me mind him. Me take care of him. All the while when I come out to my kids, when I call Akim, if I not Akim breed me. Akim can only advise me and do a suggestion. Him still can't tell me what to do. He's not. The put them door belongs to him. Me and him only there. Them and them him and them father. He only can suggest this to me. Oh, I can do it about this one and advise me. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. That's all him can do. Nothing more. Stop calling him name. This a toy between me and Jakes. I will pick what we get. What we fuck and get. I mean, fuck and get them and me and you. Tell me now where you come about. Mrs. Cheryl, so cocky Cheryl, she a post it. Where you come about? Me not even go follow up you. Come know on my behalf, or on the behalf of it. Come know why you pick up for me and me know why you on my side. Me want you speak the truth. When you say you speak, I come and I speak truth. Spit out of my mouth. I speak truth. The truth is just the ungrateful bumble. Where time against me with the kids, him should have more step in more as a father. Him should have more step in more as a father. That is the truth. So the money them we over here receive by exploiting the kids' name, spend upon them, but that's the blood clot truth. So the eight girl on always go one-sided. Remember, you know. Remember Shibata was the same one I said. Remember Shibata was the same blood clot one I said Jake's fingerprint left in a Chantal wood. So I don't know where you come a blood clot say. You know why I'm not hear people's story? I just left it. Remember you was the one who come say my little girl a mate and she was 9 years old. So when you hear people's story, leave it. Never listen to no. Come here and I'm gonna argue about ya. Come on, me know the algorithm one gonna give me. I'm gonna look pound on it. Tell the blood clot man say you failed as a father. You can't have the one good proper year. When these things are taking place with the child, where are you? That's what the real question for blood clot asks him. Where him there? He must say, my good father. So when them something take place, where you there? Where you did there? Come to me would I like to know that myself, you know. But me ask a question about me that I like to know myself. When the things them are taking place with your daughter, where were you? You want me to tell TikTok where were you? You come here, you class me, you beg, you drink your me, you in the lane. You in the lane till when night come, you wrap up yourself over Mali and the Alia, batty all our pussy. That's it, that's all. And when Cheryl come, you sell her for funky news them. When Cheryl come, you sell her, you sell Cheryl, you sell stinking Cheryl for funky news them. Because me and you and I, you, Jakes and I, Rosalie, no, you can't do that house there. But it depends on go slow to China where because Cheryl money half is spend. Fear money half is spend. Me say it's just because the way I tell it, you never do it the proper way I tell it. You're still feeling that process. Come the way you name out Cheryl. I turn her in a goon, but what? Where you misleading that concept, they make she start to control you. You're not giving one size up and say, listen to me now, man. My baby mother, don't fuck up. That's why I can't like you. You could have Shirley in one corner and spend what she have to spend and she have no her time, space, and limit with you. No? Jake someone, Shirley? Over Alia, yeah, Jake sleep at night time. That's why Jake don't know about him pinning them. No. Sleep. No. Them they all about the place. Daddy me hungry, see one box food, yeah. Daddy me hungry, go and go up there to go buy some feed. That's it, that's all. You give them sitting for yam. Give them sitting for blood clot yam. And that's it, that's all. That's it, that's all. Give them sitting for yam, that's it, that's all. And sometimes they hungry because sometimes they bark down my phone and call me and tell me say they hungry. Them bark it down. That's it, that's all. You give them some to eat, and then when night come, you was away, gone up earlier. And when 2 week time or month 10 time, you was gone, so you gonna fuck Nessa. I mean, I asked Shirley, I tell her, I know you're there watch because you love me so much. Remember, you obsessed over me so much, you know? And the piece that the old dirty is, man. So I know you're there watch. So go and do your own work. Because me know him like my hand back. Me know him like my hand back. And I tell me a blood clot tell us, him not give two fuck. Him not care. Him know me know him not care. Him know him not care because you know from when me know him me know. From when me know oh me know say him know me oh me know say me don't know him not care none at all. And me work on mind them Cheryl. I saw me know him not care. I me work on mind them. Cheryl me work on mind them. Cheryl, him not care. So when you come, oh Jake so good for go suck your mother. Suck cocky woman. Him not care. When Shanta sick with the blood clot pending that admit about children, how much time him go up there go look for her? Never, him never go yet. Barbara, I think him went one time. Go suck your mama. Jake's mind Pitney. Jake's mind Pitney. It's me take care of my kids them. And so that father look good is me take care of my kids them. If them a go up on the road right blood clot now, the father cannot find a suit of clothes for them to wear. What him buy. That is how cuff him be. And you over here talk about, oh Jake, something, hey. Me say Cheryl, and that's what I tell me say something that I say me that spit in your blood clot face. Brawling come never take back my talk. I'm made mad. Spit in your blood clot face. Yeah. They just like to chat, but you don't know nothing. If them a go out right now, Jakes cannot identify one suit of clothes when them a go put on for we go out now. Right now, if them a go carry them out. But you should make one post. This man get him daughter hair combed and get him it's only when me talk Cheryl things get done. Cause through me talk say grass are growing on the oat, me gonna make kiss and slap the bottom. Me a wicked liar, but you like you wicked too, you know. Me a wicked liar, but you blood clad. Me a wicked liar, but you wicked too. When Jakes never lock up Rosalie Cheryl name the moon, the star, and the whole continent. I'm still gonna think about it from last night. I sleep on it. I sleep on it. Because me have a sleep on it for discover what I keep. So me I say now, behind all of the whole of paperwork and the whole of courthouse and the whole of this and the whole of that, and the deep obsession When Nessa, what I think Nessa have against me, she don't have that obsession against me, you know. When me that try, right, when me I try, I come to the conclusion, I pick out it. The deep obsession for me in that camp is Cheryl. Nessa only do the dirty works for Cheryl because she want to get close to Jakes. So the boy take 1, 2, 1, 3, fuck off her and I really use her because she never see you. So she have to use them the opportunity to get close to the man. She can call him and she can rate him and play. Because when Nessa do the things, I know Nessa get paid. But the real mastermind be all of the bag of paper and the bag of paperwork was really blood clot Cheryl. The Cheryl is so cocky girl you are trying to prison me. And you vex. You're vexed because every time you send Jake's going on the courthouse with the paper, it expires on him. And you get to identify, say, blood clot. You see that boy you love him, baby mother? That you identify that. Some way you identify it so good, man, and it's a killer now. Let me just tell you one here. Cause so Jake stay. Jake's a man I always tell all the bitches when they want here. And you know, me can't tell you Jake's a man I tell the bitches when they want here. I say him to me. Never talk everything I talking in my lifetime, I talk about experience. Me can't talk no my makeup cause me can't work on makeup nothing. Come and see what the sense that I gonna make. Jake's is a man who will tell you where you want bumper pussy blood clot here. And some know man like I like tell woman things when they want here. Because what? Him, me use him and my 12-year relationship with him, and me define every blood clot. Man, the boy can't treat me nowadays, you know? You don't get that, you don't get that again. When me I left Jakes, me become a real woman. You can't treat me so easy. Because what? Me a baby father used to do me the things them and tell me what I want. Here. Yeah. Discuss so? No. But I'll tell you something. So I say, oh, so now you don't talk the truth, you just tell woman what them want here. Yes, so that I'd be able to get Cheryl. When I send Jakes, the gun with the paper them, make sure come a blister and black, 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 black. The only reason why when Jakes he bought me over 100 man the other day in the company internet come so him officer because what you are pressure him for lock me up. Because if them lock me up, the bill will I get taken back. When him can't get bail, me can't come up back for now. So me get for understand last time, I mean, so me before don't really eat me as well me think. And the stinking people them I mash him up. Come a boy could have take a lock up. Easy come out back that. Easy come out back that. But me would have there in a jealous up until now and Cheryl know that. That's what she name the moon, the star, and every blood clotting. She know. Make it for analyze if I'm last night. But I don't want him time too wicked. Or past them the black that they do the long time with padlock and key. Come on now, move on, have a fabulous man. But at the hatred, between two parents, so the pity them are always have a suffering thing to the thing. Because me see me and Jakes come together one day. I will go up at CPS. I was slung in a CPS office for the whole time. At the first, we could have slung around the man and stomach him in a long, long while. No ignorance, no nothing. We had a splendid afternoon by sitting at two parents and talking to two adults about two kids. I mean, I said to myself, say, boy, you see it, say, after all, bad to bad, we still can become two nice parents. Tell her when me I got half of you the same day. I say, what they put them on just to eat and them say burger. I'm gonna buy a burger for me, in the penny them and the driver, everybody eat burger. And me they stop over bargain mall, so I go buy one slipper. So we go somewhere with me and Kim. I don't remember where me that go. I'm come out of the blood clad car. I'm going to bargain mall, go buy one and come back in the car. And you end up on the phone. And when you end up on the phone, I end up on the phone, I end up on the phone. I feel the energy. I feel the energy shift. I feel the energy shift. When we are come back in a sea view blood clot road, me hear him say to me say, when I drink them old pa Magnum there, when I drink them old pa Magnum there, you want fuck weirdo. So that's none of your business. And we never talk about that none at all. Or you just reach for ask me that. So I say, how call you? And you ask me them the blood clot question. Them never know are you. So the St. Lucia woman are you? Lucia woman are you? Cheryl, you can't take up 4 o'clock if I go and wash it off and be able to do it, you know. It not gonna work. It not gonna work, Cheryl. When you identify to the works that Jake is this and Jake is that, Jake is not that and this and that. It's not that what you're saying. You don't know nothing about Jake, Cheryl. Go and spend your money and come out and my people them business. Pick them. Let me talk about him. Because you want the pan phone call, well, what kind of argument with my daughter now? Hmm? With my daughter, you want to say, oh, that's why I'm gonna come out. She hate her kids because they have some information that she tell you. So say, oh, they put them here to because you have some information what she tell you. Hmm? I know that this and I know that. Everybody want to know. Everybody want to know and everybody have to blood clot know. I know this and I know that and I know this and I know that and I know. You want to know every bumper pussy blood clot what Rosalie do. I want to know a Rose blood clot, so. They're just kids. If you know all of them stuff from April, how comes that Saturday night you know a gas station? GX and Master the one them get locked up. Cause them a access her to a crime of a minor. You know where you want to put it. The one of them forgot blood clot prison. My mama forgot to. Cause my mama didn't know say my blood clot mama didn't know say Miguel and Jackson fuck her daughter when she was 14. The one of them forgot blood clot prison. And that's how I know the whole of them blood clot like cause the whole of them nastiness. Me no come, me no cup, me no cut from the same clot and I joke at the same cup. The whole of them nasty blood. And my mom for their prison too. The whole of them for their prison. I remember I fuck my sister from she was 14. Him for their prison. I talk it every day. Why you don't think I'm going to go to the lawsuit and say I lie me at tell? I'm over here talking the things about jokes. When I got them, go to the lawsuit and say like, oh come the people them can't serve to me. You think I'm going? You think that you think that me I go in front of that and change my mouth? Your Honor, I know for a fact. Rosalie, how do you know the man tell me same fuck the look of blood clot, girl? Lama should subjects fuck her. And an anti-fucker and an anti-man fucker. The whole of them know. Because them are careless people. The only blood clot reason why. Sometimes I have a joke like me she. Because after when that happen, you go and come back and breathe and come back. You still take drinks in your wall. So not nastiness. I could protect you. No, I just say a nastiness. Sometimes I tell myself you want it. Yeah. But you can't want it because you're young. But you can't want it because you're young. But now, since the past and gone, you have all pitting, you still go back and fuck Jakes. How you have pitney and the past and gone, you still go back and fuck him. Come on, nastiness. And bear you in mind. This is the second encounter. The second encounter this. The first one with my sister. And me, Carragher Station, the Sunday night. I never forget it. I make Carragher Station the Sunday night. I never forget the night when she was 14. How much years ago? Me Carragher Station. And when we go up a rape unit and our mama for care about the next day, I know my mama don't go. So when she over here, blood clot, like Carragher Station, and the boy could have run away. And little girl still not get just that 14-year-old. And I told me talk now make Adrian have a run away and start to buckle up on the sack. So if me never talk, I would have it would have lead to something worse. Him start fuck her. Cause the whole of no blood clot no. And yam it. The whole that I want stinking dirty dog shit. No. I'm not gonna find boy for lock up boy now. I'm not gonna find boy for lock up boy. Boy ever go with hide out 1 6 months, 1 7 months, 1 8 months and come back again. I not accept him back. I'm a family. I'm gonna see your son and your brother. Come to know who not trick on the internet. You know always go away and come back. You always go away and come back. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm a pedophile for a long time. He have a court case with Portland. He had a court case in Portland for the same touching of a minor. You don't know, Jakes, you know your brother a pedophile like yourself. Because when my father say I fuck la macho, I don't know, I'm strong, you know. Me say bumbo clot. Glamour. Me say me find out say my baby father fuck my sister, my 14-year-old sister. I don't know me not drop down dead to pussy club. I say what? See me? Then when the kids them small, I'm so long I tell myself say blood clot. Oh, this is go to myself because I can't tell people that come shame. That means that me go to prison, so go to prison too. What you gonna do? Hear me to myself and die. I'm a shadow. All you have a blood clot, look at the man gonna prison and take care of your blood clot in them, that's all. That's all. And there was a text message. There was a text message where you stinking Jakes Send my sister, get your pussy wet, me I come. A long time, you and me on a brainwash. Cause when I see the things that me not see it. No, my eye wide open to no nasty dirty man. Get your pussy wet, me I come. That was the text we sent her to our phone. It's thinking as if you. And when I see the blood clot text, see me? Me no say nothing to him, man. Me no say nothing. How long me no say nothing to him, you know? See me? That trend and a lifestyle wanna pick up. Because there's no way the little girl can tell me, say, you should tell her granny, say her uncle a pull on her clothes and her granny did nothing. I don't want to go do something because I get involved. So me always, if me not talk out of my mouth, things not get done. And someone now realize that if me never talk out of my mouth, I wouldn't get the little girl on the station. When I have the boy around there, mail around her, till him fuck her. And this happened from April. Don't want the girl to talk to me. Tall, because the other day when Barbara called me and show me the other day when Barbara called me and show me report paper, I'm say carry the phone go get your sister. When my Anna the phone, she all want to take him. I don't know who not try blood clot trick on the internet. You GX, you no one little girl tell me nothing. You are the mastermind of family. You don't want to talk to me. Cause I'm more boss or she will talk anything. Me know. Never know. I feel like telling a lie. Me don't want nobody send me a request me not do no box live. Go on over them and chat me. Me don't want nobody send me a request me not do no box. Go on over them and chat me. You. As some know you know and I cover it up. You know a long time and I hide it. Now come tell internet about I yes them know. If Cheryl know from blood clot April suck pussy batty what you know a long time talk. I do not hide because I know what me know. Cause me name more boss too. Cause me have no secret. But me I keep it for. If it come mad me, where you think me can't mad? Why you think so me can't mad and I can't get to me mentally cause me a ball out my business from early. Me nah nyam it. I make it kill me in my sleep. Me and I name more boss and me birth her bumbo clot. I'm more boss cause when I hide nothing. Because if you have a problem, if you speak about your problem, you know a long time. Cause Cheryl know a long time, so cocky Jackson know a long time too. You forgot a prison batty boy. And so me eat it like pipe. Somebody don't want to put on my blood clot brain. Because I'm relaxed from my blood clot brain. Things might happen. I try to check it off at all times. Me don't want it so now in my brain. That's why I try to go out. And that's why I try to go to the world for people. I don't want to sit down and make it so now in my brain. Because I might lose it. Because you know a long time, batty boy and I come talk about, oh, I just know a blood clot. Cheryl know from April, you come here just to know. Cheryl are blood clot parents. Just make that make sense. So Cheryl not tell you. So Cheryl not tell you got quote and paper on the back of foolishness. And the real problem is about the kids who not blood clot identify that. Who not walk in a store with girl and man and whip up full, so that make no sense. Like me supposed to move on with my life. Me not supposed to move on with my blood clot life. Who my blood clot though, not supposed to have no problem to keep with them. Because Because blood clot Shirley know from April and know to a cover. I do not hide it. That's what never want me talk start. That I do not hide it. I wanna go over live and deflect. Oh, you're so cocky. Nessa she. Oh. Let us try to do the legal about it. Let us try to do the legal about whenever the blood clot go to the legal from April. The boy will they behind bars now. The boy will they behind bars now. When you don't want me know. Don't do it again. You know when you're putting something wrong, I say don't do it again. She's maturing, she's maturing. Her brain is developing. Me don't want to even see you. You disgust me because me a picnic, you a big man. What kind of story you bring to me? She don't want to see him. And she constantly I see him. And that get to her. That's what I tell my mama. And when she tell me, she afraid to tell me. She said, but mommy, mommy, not that serious, don't talk, because I saw you have the little girl. I saw you have the little girl afraid to talk when things happen to her. Because she afraid to tell me, because she don't even want me to talk. And she tell me, say, not that serious, you know? I know me, I say so. And she tell me, say, I say, what you mean not that serious? What you mean by? Because she's afraid of you. And you're like, coward down. Father God, me talk, God, me know. And me thank God me talk. I said me never talk. Some worse will happen. Cause 3 attempt to 4 attempt to little girl start get fuck. So me thank you, me know. I'm a thank you, me talk. I'm never got. I wanna want my business, me not hide it. Because I've sure know from April I know a long time too. So all I want are germs, Jews and Gentiles. I want light, all blood clot, Cheryl. When you click live, I don't know where you click live, I say. It's a little stinker. Because I even know so that I'm to look at blood clot. Well, you know blood clot. If Jakes don't work a man and brother, you come talk. But I try gain some respect for you. I see more say and spit in your face. Could I like you? Could I like your dog shit, woman? Could I like you? I can't like you. Yeah. You're not ready for walk around and pay. You're not ready for walk around and pay all of them. We not pay for class me. We not pay for try bring me down. We not pay for prison me. You pay them for class me, prison me and try bring me down. I pay that to sit down and do. But the little girl gave valid information. You did nothing about it. So what are you saying? Oh, we're gonna try to do what now? When the boy gonna hide? When am I gonna find Adrian? What Jakes and mama gonna find Adrian? Jakes and mama not gonna find Adrian? Till probably 7-8 months from now, it might pop up as if you are never. Jakes and mama gonna find him. I don't know where Jakes will find blood clot Adrian. And when Adrian will go, somebody gonna do it to a serious parent and them kill him. Then them all find him in a body bag. And go identify him somewhere. Because why? You think say God, you think say God asleep? No worry. Me that I forget justice. I know me I gotta do it, you know. Universe I gotta do it. We soon hear about him. No worry yourself. Because why? Him can't control it. Him is a predator, him is a pervert. Him cannot control that side of him. Can't control him if him small. So when you do Jakes, you feel as a father because you know your brother stay. But in him genes and you know him stay, you should never allow him on the daughter none at all. And that we are talking about. We not talk about enough of funky story. We not try kill the argument they for talk about who and lawyer used to send lawyer want to know Rosalie business. Nessa be behind all the stories them. Sure that try present. We don't want you all of that because we know that. And that we are talking about. And that we are talking about, you know, we are talking about oh no know the things them and when me talk, no want take legal action, no know all along the whole of you got prison light up in a bag. And that's why your mama hours go hungry and that's why you can't better than how you stay. And Shirley now stop by cock till she dead. Next hour gonna be a man goon. Liar I was going to mix up. She not live no life. The whole of the world at one set up. Somebody when I really make no sense to me. I don't know about other people. Hmm? You have your brother picture where you don't show the world your brother who try for molest your daughter. That's the first step you should have make it over your top. You over your top one whole per story. If you wanted to help and proved yourself that you're seeking justice for your daughter, you put up your brother picture a long time. Make the next run with it. Anyway, anybody see that boy yeah, well I'm panning me now. Can't hide because Jamaica is a small world. You don't do that, them just something there. You over here deflect. Oh, Rose over here in the car. Wow. Only know say, me can't go see you. I'm not supposed to be seen in the area. So no one, when me hear the story, me jump go down there. Police wanna put me and lock me up. Because wow, me act before me think. Police wanna put me and lock me up. Me they behind bars on the sit down and laugh. If me finally get rid of the girl. Plan fail again. And you always use the kids them to come up with a plan. They disgust me, Jakes. I mean, tell say, I got bitter. I saw the reaction and leak your blood clot. For all of what you do, you got say blood clot. Or whatever do in a life. For deserve all this Father God. You cry pangala. Him not gonna show you no remorse. Because everything what Jake Slung and do with Uno conspires with Uno is to get back at me. It's a rat race. And so I just Slung. It's so getting so I do. And kill Uno on the show. I change the deck for Uno. I sit back and I'm gonna show Uno real colors. Yeah, I silence for Uno. And we over here talk something if pay no mind. Because when I talk people say I'm obsessed. All I keep is to tell me I'm obsessed over here. Now when there's something wrong with Fiend brain. I know that I say so too. I say something wrong with him. If I follow you up. I go sit down, sit back and crouch like a tiger. And watch you fall the whole way dig for me. Because I've surely know from April Jackson know a long time to your mama, everybody know. It's a cover up to not try cover it up. Because she's a child. Yeah. About her problems. Even when they live at house together, we used to fight and argue. She got to school, go tell her teacher, miss, it affects her. It affects her so much. From only when something affects you, you talk about it. And them time when them something occur, she no more than 9. Her brain quick. Yeah, try damage her brain with the nastiness. You know. So look, come to about Saturday night, you know, you got call out boy. You wanna do that because it look bad, you know. Because, say for instance, a man that love his kids, you just find out that. So that happen. Whether or not him penetrate her or not. You not think that you act, then you think. So when you done fuck up a boy, you got there where you then think say, boy, me fuck him up in about at least. The boy violate my daughter. I should have more than that. But you know, say the mama, which is me, always act before me think, get me dog fly come down and see you, so them can take back my condition a bail. So you and Shirley and the whole only can laugh. Cause something on a plan in motion. Because if you Jake not say me willing to go praise for my youth, them how come you not willing to? Cause you don't like them. What are you over here doing? Don't even call me. Every time I argue with you, I'm not argue with you now. No. You just sick my stomach. I'm tired of one. I'm not gonna argue with you now. Go stop. Bag of chatting. You sick my stomach. You sick my stomach. Why am me alone willing to do all of the things that are not you? You don't want to get involved. I hear what you say. The mother can't come and save you, come do nothing. You're not gonna risk your freedom when you want me risk mine. Isn't both of us supposed to be risking our freedom? Jakes, I would have feel better if I would have, as much as you class me and dog me over here, I would have feel much better if you fuck up Adrian and me spend for me money and lie you. Yeah. Yeah. You in a lockup, you get a visit, I'm gonna get a liar for you. Try to get you out. Me would have feel much better. You sit on your your brother try for destroy your daughter life and you do nothing about it. So what kind of good father you be? Eh? You are Adrian, our brother. You're supposed to put up Adrian picture on TikTok a long time from Sunday morning. I paid out the stone and I tried send out now for the fleck walk keep. You know Adrian. You have him picture. You know if you go find him on any platform where him create with a Facebook. I think I will name Adrian Cunningham. Adrian Cunningham. What's the same name? Adrian Cunningham. You know if on Facebook you can find about Facebook profile with even one look face picture him for post up. You know you can find it. Yeah. Sure, me say I try to make an effort. Forget justice for your pitney. No. When you come but a lawyer in my phone every day for work and show and know somebody else, let the world know that the world them someday we have to tell people we know. A liar job that. TikTok no, that is liar work. Then I must. I have a must. Cause jokes like nastiness, you know. So them have them one another secret. So me I want to jokes and them brother fuck. Me I wonder some whole heap of things, you know. Me I want to jokes and them brother fuck. Chosen is a joke. No joke night. What the joke there? The only way you cannot take down a person, the only way you cannot take down a blood-clad person in their wrongs that you're doing is that you're involved with something with them. So if them go down, you go down too. With the blood clot, you laugh on a joke. We all laugh and that look like a joke. That's not a joke. That's not a joke. It's not a joke. The only way you can't tell on a person like that or do something to your child, you are protecting him. You're him a fuck. Because you like nastiness and him nasty too. It's not a joke. I know why I'm talking to them. I'm not joking thing with you, you know. A common sense tell you that, you know. Somebody just type it. That has sense. When I talk, there's nothing joke of fine about. I'm not running a joke here. Somebody just type it. One moderator can pin it, I'm going to find it and pin it. Core type it. I say I can find it and pin it. Core. With the pin button, the pin comment. Them have secret for each other. That's why him a protect him. Say core write it there. It has to be that. Them have secret for one another. You protect your brother put should up on social media around every platform so them can catch him. The same thing with Miguel. same thing with Miguel. I mean, this long tell my sister a long time ago, say, you know. He said, if you can't fuck my sister at 14-year-old, you'll fuck your own a pitney. And she'll grow now, she'll grow. So she bought a Jackson, if I come say a word, me you to do all the talking. Then me do all the talking. Man, nastiness. Yeah. Then after that, me can protect him. Because your brother, you must have one photo of him. You can't shove out. How comes you don't want to shove him out? How comes you don't want to shove him up? Shove him out. No one about a gas station for shove him out. That's him. Mr. Santa, what happen now? Them are gonna lock him up. When am I gonna see this boy if I lock up this boy? Shove him out. No. I remember you have freaky dick, you like the nasty things them, so you and them good all fuck and suck on one another. So you're not gonna really shove him out like that. That's why I'm telling every blood clot there, you know. But it's not a secret for me. I mean, I keep none. Your brother good ask what you say, boy, I'm not telling you, you know, bro. Your daughter 6, you know. Hey, man. Me see it, man. 2 blood clot. 30 nasty bomber blood clot. Pedophile. You think you can't get custody? Pussy, you can't get no custody there, so you know. You care, you will never get full custody. I'm going to use it against your blood clot. So, Cheryl, now, if you better done the house, you can't get full custody of blood clot. You will never get full custody. So, Cheryl, if you better done the house, can't pause now. Mm-hmm. She can't pause now. Cheryl, you can't pause now. Cheryl, you can't pause now. Pause it now, only no, but the blood clot finish it. Can't get no full custody. Never. He will never get. You will never get full custody. Surely can done now. You will never get full custody, pussy. So Cheryl, you are just dig your own grave. Thank you for doing that. Never. Come on, which goes all granted now. Hmm? We just all granted now. You will never get full custody, so Cheryl can't no bother. Cheryl no bother spend no more money, mama. Cause in can't bother get the full custody again. And all the way I go build now is a fuck shop. See my woman for going on. My woman for going to a fuck shop. Man and woman going to a fuck house. This all long it take for done. This all long it take for done. Build a fuck shop. You're not building a house for a child. You are building one fuck shop. It could have never done. It's not. You're not building a home. You don't come in. You don't. I know why my always big man. You know why I always hate Cheryl and think that Cheryl is a little disgusting, so cocky war. You're a big woman. You're a big woman, and you say you come for help jokes because you love them, and you this, you that, you that, you this, and all type of story where you come and create on the internet. And if you was a real woman, you'd say to your man, say, cause your man can fuck you. And the man because him fuck you anyway. You'd come and you'd say to your man, say, you what go keep now. You be a man love chat. Make sure you want to long over there and talk. Focus yourself. And your man him fuck you. You don't look at them and say, here we go keep no jokes. And you be mother, focus pan where you keep yourself. When she thought of a pair, she no man, she must done by now. You sit down behind the scenes to get whole heap of paper. I'm sure because you broke. Hmm? You mash him up. Yeah, the control of one gifter. She mash up a platform. Mhm. The control of a gifter mash up a platform. And mash up Jakes. Probably if Jakes it over there and I maintain him daily ranking also I don't know any opinion but I stay put because even if a home is broken, them can't stay you can't stay put. Mhm. Me Rosalie come from a deserted island in Gross. I mean a deserted island, I mean an island of desert. Survive when me grow up for survival is the fittest. That me grow up for. Me never have no mother, me never have no father, and them have mother and father. Me never have none. My granny grow me down a town in a cardboard box on sidewalk. I saw me grow. And me still not turn out to be the worst. And if it was a real, someone else said, Shirley's a piece of dog shit. She says a shit. You don't care about the kids, you only care about the blood clot, man, and the internet. You want all of fame. Cause you feel like say, all of your money you spend, you can come back and drop receipt one day, I still and beg you back, you not get back dollar Cheryl. We not give back dollar over, you go suck your mama. Yeah. You need get back dollar over here. I don't call on a blood clot, do you know? Sit down and portrait like on a good blood clot people. And get and, so on, and then sit down and come up evidence and receipt. For when judgment day come, we not have them documented like we not do one documentary for beg. Yeah, so long I tell us, I say, oh, I'm gonna use all of Jake's, what I have on Jake's, to see if I can get back some of what I spend. You now get back dollar over this mama blood clot. We don't want your me know that story me know the story you know. That story about any Rosalie was right all along. Don't call me blood clot name Sokudu man. Let me rewrite your chapter, bitch. Don't call my name. Stay with no problem on the crosses. Don't call my name. That's how the story will end up. End of the story, Rose was right. That's all I'm sure come. No, but that started not sure me I tell if I'm now, you know. So me I turn it one different way you can't come with. Come no on stay. When you ready for turn pan blood clot, Jakes. I lick you with a missile. Rose was right all along. You slung a cam it up. So cocky, girl. That's why me ever go class you. Cause me 18, me done with him, you know. Him not have no lock and part with me. Him can never call my phone. Me not have no visit to him. He cannot call my phone. Me not call him phone. And him cannot call my phone for nothing. Me not talking with him for a lifetime. Me done with him. And not because move I'm done with him. And the careless activity where he make. The careless activity where he make reach him that make me fully done with him. Fully done. Me no want to get ignorant. Me not even want to get ignorant about it either. So, me see how it is. But fully done with him, man. Careless people, whenever I talk about that. But the ending result of the story is that when you're done with him, you gonna come, me was right. Me know when you come tell me say me was blood clot right. Me I tell you. But I come with that, me love. From 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 the main thing where my mind the depend make that chapter they close. Me know what me I talk about, me not for me gonna know what me I talk about. You understand what me I say? Make that chapter they close. But the day that me know what me I talk about. But I come sit down with nobody come sit down and document file and receipt. And then when I done document file and blood clot receipt, you know come shoot him out. When I don't come put him, you know come blood clot shoot him out and say, oh Rose was right, me now we no want that here stuff and money. We don't want that for money, we don't want that for money. Because suck no matter, we don't want that for money. We want that dog shit. Dog bed, nasty dirty people. That's what it is. I just feel like say just have the little girl around you because I'm up boss. Because she will ball up on her father too, and so I'm more terrible. You think, you know, that's what she say. So when, Cheryl just keep a little girl, Cheryl just we call her little girl, I feel little girl tell our, our father business. So where your father, I don't know, you must supposed to over earlier that you have a number for Cheryl. That's what you have a number for. So you know Jakes now are you. And you know what Jakes are sleeping every night. That's why you have a number. You want to know something. How this? Yeah, look at the number for your yeah, look at the number for information about Jakes. Your life investment where you spend your money. Because why? You can't have that valid evidence if I'm blood clot me. And them never come talk. You wouldn't gas station. You wouldn't them wouldn't try to take legal action. None of that from me. May, June, May, April, May, June from me. You wouldn't have that valid sitting there. From April and attack it. That means say if you have them the something from April, it are going in a blood clot target, you only have the girl around to get information about her father. That's what you have. Until we have Christine put it up, you only have the little girl around there for know about her blood clot father. Yeah. That you have around for know about her blood clot father. So you can slung with the receipt. So you stay with me, you take me a mascot. That's why you don't like me sure because you can't trick everybody, you can't trick me. Information I want. The one the little girl gonna suffer like kind of care about she a man you want. I want someone who want man who go the extra mile, my love. And then when you say me and me one man and me delusional. Mm? So she come, mommy let me say I don't want to talk about the father. Mommy let me say Shant, I don't want to hear. Mm? Because what? What you don't understand it, me I hear that she's a child, we don't have to question her about nothing. I should just chat. She love chat. She can't stay in the movie the gossip girls. She like talk. So your friend, you can't look a guy for know about her father. That piece of information they give you don't want it for use. That the father you want you about. You know where must who that? How could I do that? Oh. So my baby father, so. My baby. Oh.
Hey, baby father, I don't know, pop up like a thief in the night. Watch it.
No. One, two. One nice.
You look at cheers up, man. I like it. Yes. Come make me do what we do over my yard. Can't deal with the light in your house.
Alright. Come for coming now.
Come.
Yeah.
Let's go, girl. Right,
Up in my belly.
All
of them come with blood too. If all of them come with blood,
the
because
first time
someone come, someone say
bleed the
something
first
that
time when your eye men tear.
some of them not bleed, some of them
When
bleed.
your eye men are tear, you're going to bleed. If your eye men not tear already, when your eye men are tear, you're going to bleed. Because you have females that's virgin, but them never have sex yet, but them eye men already torn because some of them probably go ride a bicycle or meet in an accident and them eye men tear.
4 rows, so, 4 rows.
But if your hymen isn't torn, when you're gonna have sex, you're gonna bleed.
Chat
Everybody
4 rows, chat 4 rows. Oh my God.
Everybody knows love. One
Dan
more
beg your rose, Dan.
Thank you. CK, thank
Ashanti
you.
Neg,
Azaniel, beg you back one rose.
Ashanti Neg,
Azaniel, beg you one rose. Azaniel, somebody beg you one rose. One rose.
3 rows, chat.
Love.
3 rows, chat. Dan beg your rose now.
They could use this now, chat. Favor, thank you for the gift gallery then.
Thank you, Everbun.
Come on, chat. We want 5 forever rose and 5 swan. 4 fireworks.
Dan, you can't send a receipt.
Everybody work together. Use the double chatter.
Dan, and no more kiss.
Use the double. Big shout out to Favor. Favor, let me see if I get that in the gift gallery already. Favor, we have that in the gift gallery already, my auntie. But they send the fireworks at the same price for the fireworks.
For Galaxy.
Everybody work together. Galaxy together.
Fireworks.
Galaxy together. Favor, thank you, Favor. Azaniel, thank you.
Come on, guys, you can't push up your score. We don't have no more.
Everybody know love chat. We want 4K now to number 10. 4K to number 10, chat. 4K to number 10. Love and love alone, man, my auntie. You don't know one favor. Love and love alone. Everybody big up. Work together, chat. 4K to number 10. Make we try size down this.
Come on now, push up the score for me.
Make we try size down this, chat. Come on, everybody. Make we try size it down. 4K to number 10. Everybody work together, chat. Teamwork. Everybody come work and give me something, I appreciate it. Come on, man, chat. Chat, we want the 5 swan or the 5 forever rose or we want the 4 fireworks. We want one of them 3 there, chat. Come on, everybody, work together. Anybody can come in and support the gift gallery. If you never gift me, look at the gift gallery. If you want to send, can send the gift gallery first. Okay? Everybody enough love. Work together. When we cut down the gift gallery, keep it up in the league. Rosalie Woman Power, beg you something on my baby. Kemisha Michelle. You can't beg you something. I brought my dogs beautiful. Favor, thank you so much, auntie. The man's favorite. Big up yourself. May I beg on something?
Come on, no chat. You can't push up your score. Echo.
Everybody work
together. 4 swan.
That we need 4K.
Echo, you have 4 swan.
We need 4K now for go number
5 swan.
10.
Say Echo 5 swan.
Big shout out to Favor.
Everybody for Galaxy. We can be going for Galaxy.
Big shout out to Favor, chat. Everybody power tap and work together, chat.
Rosalie Woman Power. That is it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Even if it's a money gun, it's appreciated. Thank you so much.
Come on,
Rosalie
chat.
Woman Power again. That is it. Thank you so much, my auntie.
Guys, thank you so much, chat. Everybody big up on
3K now
yourself.
to number 10, chat.
Come
Thank
on,
you so much,
guys.
Rosalie Woman
Focus.
Power. God bless you.
Chat,
Favor, big
please,
up yourself,
can we control
favor.
the top?
Guys, power taps chat.
Chat, power tap on this, please. Power tap.
Everybody power taps chat. Everybody big on some taps chat. Everybody big on some taps.
Guys, power tap for me,
Jory, you
please.
can't make it something Jory bad to bad. Kenisha, big up.
Guys, first
Boy,
the
Auntie Twiggy,
triple,
me did want
triple.
to see you look more,
Guys,
Auntie
use the
Twiggy.
triple chat.
Auntie Twiggy, you know,
Chat,
so when you
triple.
Auntie Twiggy,
Chat,
you know,
use the
so when you see me
triple.
dress box and I look and I say, I saw Auntie
Guys, we
Twiggy
can't use the triple
shot.
chat. We can't use the triple.
You
Chat,
know, when I see me
triple.
dress box and I look, you know,
Nobody
me don't
can
know if
help
you
me
did
on the
that.
triple with some gift, girl.
Me don't know if you did that pre like say, cause when me reaching at the party, me I think
Chat, can
about
we
it,
use
you
the
know.
triple?
Me I say, I wonder if Twiggy feel like say I hug, me never want hug her, but I look, and me I say, no man, a Twiggy so short. You know, hear me I tell you say you're so short. But Twiggy, you look good. You look good, auntie. Me not tell a lie, you look good. Bad to bad. And when you say a Twiggy,
Chat, don't thank you, Sophie, thank
thank you
you.
so much,
Chat, can
God
you put up
bless.
this form up,
And when you say
please?
a Twiggy, God bless, Munchie, Munchie, thank you, girl. Rosalie Woman Power, big up. People Twiggy, Auntie Twiggy short, you're afraid. Where's how Twiggy short? Twiggy about 5 foot.
Chat, we need 3
But a
roses.
whole heap of whip on the internet, TikTok not give we no justice. Cause when you see the people them in person, them look
Chat,
better.
3 roses.
Me not think internet give we no justice.
Chat, thank you so much. Chat, thank you so much.
Everybody big up, power tap chat, work together. Me not think TikTok give we no justice
Chat,
for
thank you
true.
so much.
Everybody enough love, big up on yourself.
Chat,
God
can we
bless
use the
Muchi. Thank you.
triple,
2 more person
please?
with a rose. 2 more person with a rose. 2 more person with a rose. Rosalie Woman Power, if you have a rose, beg you
Tamara,
with.
thank
God
you.
bless Muchi if you have a rose, beg you with. J Whoop, if you have a rose, beg
Tamara,
you with.
thank you.
Kenisha Mitchell, if you have a rose, beg you with.
Tamara,
Keisha,
thank you so much.
thank you. No. Thank you so much. God bless you. No. Everybody just work together as
Chat,
a
can we use
team.
the triple, chat,
I will try
triple?
push up the score. Teamwork make the dream work.
Chat, can we use the triple? Chat, can we use the
Times 3
triple?
now, chat. Teamwork make the dream work, chat. Times 3.
Tamara,
Chat, use
thank
the triple
you.
chat. Use the triple. Anybody, even if it's a money gun, it's
Chat, can we use the
appreciated. It's a
triple,
triple
chat?
chat. It's a triple. Even if it's a money gun, rest on it. If you not have it anyways. Thank you
Sophie,
so
thank
much. God
you.
bless you. No. Everybody just keep power tapping and work together. Anything counts, me appreciate it, okay?
Chat, thank you so much.
Everybody not love. Just power tap and work together, chat, okay? Rosalie Woman Power, thank you so much. God bless you, mama. God bless you. I'm so much we need now to know. Chat, we need 1.4K to number 10. 1.4K to number 10, chat, okay? Everybody work together.
Looking like you're meant for this. Oh, God. No. It's me not ready again. Me think I'm ready, but me not ready. Me not ready. I'm serious.
You know, but I already know when you hear
No.
about the breed out them where you gonna get. I know it's gonna make us and the
Stop
pain you
it.
have feel. Everybody work together.
Lord God, chat WhatsApp. Nah, me not ready. Oh my God, no.
Rome, big up. Everybody enough
So
love.
what age
One
you think
Muchi,
it
thank you
you go
so
take you go
much.
make you go get to
Rosalie
bamboo
Woman
tea?
Power, thank you. Everybody when at the chat try with me.
Me don't know.
Thank
Me
you
don't
so
know
much.
when, but
TK, love you, my baby.
maybe me not ready because anytime me hear about it, me chest kind of beat fast.
You
So
know,
at what
God,
age you think it go you go make you go take you?
Me
pretty
don't
one love you
know.
can't beg you one money
Imagine
gun, no baby.
I'm going to 23
Girl,
and I'm still
Jeremy
like
beg you one
this. You
money
can
gun, no good
imagine.
girl. Bad to bad, Jeremy. That
Nothing
beg you
wrong with
one
that.
money
But me I
gun.
say like you think in our next 3 years. Me not think 2027 I catch your virgin.
Rockaboo beg you want money gun no good girl.
You
No,
feel you
I would have pleased virgin by then. 3 years from now.
God bless Mochi.
I
Thank
feel
you
like
so
you
much.
still want it backers. Black 876 black, you see you?
Everybody enough love. Watch the snipe.
Guys, nobody in there can help Kit Kat. No
We need
man. Ashanti
we
send
need
the life
3
to
money
fast
gun. We
cash
need.
no.
God bless Mochi with the
Camaro,
snipe.
thank you so much.
Ashanti, you
God
can't
bless
send the
Mochi
life
no
to
catch,
fast
but
Dr.
thank you. We need
Thank
2
you,
more
you're
money gun to
done.
number 10.
Andre, you all thank you so much. I appreciate
God
it.
bless Mochi. You get our gloves here, my baby.
Yeah,
Go and
thank you
save
so
I
it.
much.
don't like how Roger
Go
beat
use
my
the gloves.
man.
God bless Mochi. Go and save it, my girl.
Empress, guys, power
Yeah,
top
thank you
shot.
so much.
God bless Mochi. Thank you.
Chat first,
Most of
give
the
Everybody
woman
just
triple.
a
power.
Let's
Big
flip
listen
on
up.
the
up
triple
so.
chat.
Kenisha Mitchell clap my name, say I clap my name to make it something like that. Bad to bad.
Chat, play on the triple chat,
I don't think
please. I beg
attitude
you
time
now.
come give me something. I don't know how to do it to no mean your fuck.
Chat
Everybody enough
triple,
love
please.
work together.
Triple.
Chat triple chat.
Boy, Angela,
Chat
you can't beg you
triple.
one money gun or two, Angela. Angela, I want 2
Chat
money
triple
gun for that
chat
number 10,
triple.
Angela.
Nay, I want one
Angela,
penny
beg you
at
2
me.
money gun no
Chat
place.
triple.
Chat beg on some taps chat. Tap his screen. Triple
Am I
chat.
kid beg you 2 money gun no?
Chat use it to put the guys in
Exclusive.
the not in that tap
Me
his
I beg
Chat,
you
can
2
we play
screen.
money
on the
gun, my
triple chat?
baby.
Triple.
Me I beg on the top of a $10. 2 money gun, me I beg on no.
Come like me for go to sleep up for a writer so no one come back.
No, you can't play no match with me to start no business. Sorry. I want to start business myself.
Oh,
Hush. My bad. I'm so sorry, baby. Right now I struggle. Me I struggle. You have to go look for the big fish. Them me not gonna make you start no business. I'm so sorry. That
bless you.
won't help you. Everybody work together. I batter me, I batter over here.
Simple.
Chat, let's
I
give
feel
double.
separation there, so.
Nay what?
Everybody enough love, and it's just the truth.
But I know all them a
Everybody
just come
enough
go
love.
we for help and this and that like this so we are make kinds over here.
God bless much big up. But me not make nothing. God bless when I make two. Look at $100
But
on
don't talk to
TikTok.
you.
3 person with a rose shot. That's why when 2 little people come gift me, I have to big them up. I'm a
Chat, we
pray
need
say
3
God them and
roses.
make
Chat,
them
3
basket
roses,
empty.
please.
I hope them. I pray God
Chat
always make
one
them
more
basket
rose chat.
Chat,
full.
we
One
beg
more
you for
rose.
3
Cause
roses.
you have days when I not even
Chat,
come off
3
with
roses.
Chat one
$50.
more rose chat.
Kenisha big up. J Whoop me I beg you one rose. CK me I beg you one rose,
Chat,
my
we beg
baby.
you for 3
Everybody
roses.
drop
Chat,
a
3
rose.
roses.
Jur, not you no lie. If me can't help you, me can't help you,
Chat, we
but me
can
can't
get
help
3
nobody
roses.
know. If you come play a match with me, I'm the worst
Chat, we
person
can
you're
get
gonna
3
play
roses to
with.
activate the
Because
speed.
nobody now gonna give you them because I hardly have smoke. Loris, big up. TK Palmer, big up. May I tell you?
So we can beg you for 3 roses.
Thank you so much. Chat a butter over here for make even one bills. To even make $100 me have for butter. Everybody enough love chat. Auntie, love you.
Chat, please,
Use the
can we push
Guys,
double
up the
use
chat.
the double
score?
Love
chat.
your
Use the
favor.
double.
Chat, can we push up
God
the
bless
score?
Muchit. Big up yourself. Love your CK. Love you, my baby. Classic dollar. Big up J Whoop. Use the double. Anybody pan the double
Guys,
chat.
use the
Maximum.
double
So we need
chat.
2 money gun for God number 10. Anybody pan the double. Use the double. Put 2 up on number 10
Chat, can we
chat.
push up the
Come
score?
on,
Chat,
chat. We
push up
need
the
2
score for
money
me,
gun for God
please.
number 10. Mighty Moses
Chat,
Davis.
Uno, help me push up the score, please.
Alright, thank you. No favor. Big up yourself.
Chat, me fall off.
God
Me
bless
fall off.
Muchit. Big up yourself.
You're
One
lucky you
classic.
fall
Big
off. Me
up.
fall
Everybody
in.
enough love. Big up on yourself, chat.
Me fall off, you know. From A2 to B what? Let me see.
Chat, anything counts. Anything counts. We just have to appreciate what we need 2 money gun for that number 10. We need 2 money gun to number 10, chat. Come on.
Attitude, you can't give me some gift
Chat,
gallery
we need
gift.
2 money gun to number
Me have
10.
to beg you 2 gift gallery gift. And 1 gift gallery gift you give me, you know.
Anybody can help out, chat. We need 2 money gun to number 10, chat.
After this, me I go circle back Roger them and go see what I go on the other side of the world.
Come on, chat. 2 money gun to number 10. Anybody, chat.
Me needs 5 Swan, 4 Galaxy. Normally on a Monday me get them in a walk keep. Hey, me have to go look what I go and chat.
Everybody no flow. Thank you guys so much. Classic the boss. Big up yourself, Classic the boss. Boy, classic the boss. I could look 2 money gun from your gun number 10. I want 2
Fresh,
money gun
thank
for gun
you.
number 10. I just that alone me that look from your classic the boss. 2 money gun put me up at number 10. Everybody will want 2 money gun for gun number 10 chat. Come on. Somebody can snipe with 1 Galaxy for me then put me at number 10. Or 2
No,
money
not
gun.
really. I would say that to that would be
Everybody enough left chat.
one
Cherry
Pelican
Dan.
as big veteran
Thank you,
team.
Cherry Dan. Thank you so much.
No most.
God bless you,
Chat,
Cherry
can we
Dan.
stop this promo, please?
Not
1
all,
more money
baby.
gun if we can chat to number 10. 1 more money gun to number 10 chat. Come on, anybody.
Not all.
Anybody, 1 more money gun to number 10 chat. Anybody at all can do it. All right, thank you guys so much. Sheridan, thank you. Classic.
Roger
Fresh,
Classic.
thank you
I'll
so
see
much.
you
Chat, thank you
guys.
so much.
Classic,
All
dog.
right.
Big up, Classic.
Later.
All right, later, Kitty.
Chat, please, let's put up on our screen.
All the time. God bless you, Sheridan. Everybody love chat. Let's work together now, chat. Let's work together, chat. Come on.
Chat, first give double. Chat, can we play on the double?
Times 2, chat. Use a double, chat. Use a double. Use a double, chat. Use a
First
double.
give double.
Chat. Use a
Chat,
double,
come on,
chat. Use a
first give
double.
double.
Anybody put 1 more money gun number 10, chat.
Chat,
1 money
double.
gun to number 10. 1 money gun
Chat,
to number
first give
10,
double,
chat.
please. Anything on the double, chat?
First gift double chat. Come on, 1 money gun.
Fresh you, thank you.
Chat, we can get 1 money gun to number 10, chat. Come on.
Oh my god. Fresh, thank you.
Sheridan, thank you for the art meet, Sheridan.
Chat, catch up the speed for me, please. 3 roses, chat, 3 roses. Shut down, thank you. Chat, 2 more, please, 2 more. Chat, 2 more. Chat, come on, 2 more. Oh my god. Chat, 2 more roses.
Chat me about the green screen, cause me a smoke here.
Thank
Everybody
you.
enough love, chat. And the smoke are coming at the screen. Everybody enough love. Power tap team. Work together, chat. Power tap.
Chat, 1 more rose, chat, 1 more.
1 more rose, chat. 1 more
Thank
rose.
you.
1 more rose. Anybody with a rose, chat. Anybody with a rose. Boy, CK, you have to come in with both. Chat, nobody can make your money gun now. Just 1 more money gun. Boy, Sheridan, I don't know if you could have find the 1 money gun for me put me at number 10.
Chat, play on the
You
double,
cannot have
chat,
it, me now
double.
pressure you. Anybody with a
Thank
money
you.
gun, chat. 1 money gun to number 10, chat. Anybody with a money gun, use the double chat. 1 money gun, I will take our 4 nuggets. Everybody work together, use the double chat. Use the double team, use the double.
Chat, come on now, chat, come on.
Chat, use the double chat, use the double. Use the
So we
double
need
team.
8k coin to level up.
1 money gun to number 10, chat. 1 money gun to number 10. Anybody on the double? Thank you so much, Sheridan. Somebody else have 1 more than the Frostmar. 1 money gun to number 10, chat. Come on, team, come on. Frostmar, I could have beg you 1 Galaxy,
So we need
Frostmar.
8k coin to level up.
Bad to bad, Frostmar. Me da beg you 1 Galaxy. Just that alone, me I beg you. Me not pressure you. Come on, chat. Work together.
Chat, teamwork, please. Teamwork. Hold on.
Sheridan,
Let me see.
thank you.
Fresh, thank you. Chat, is it possible to beg Unu for 8k coin tonight to level up, please? Chat, can I beg you? No.
Chat, me can't make one money gun chat. Come on, chat. One money gun to number 10 chat.
For
Come on.
8k points now. It's chat 8k coin to level up.
Somebody can snipe and take the nuggets chat.
No. Chat, please, let's protect our nuggets. What you mean snipe and take the nugget? What you mean by that?
Somebody come on, fire chat, snipe, take the nuggets chat,
Chat,
snipe.
push up the score. Chat, push up the score. Chat, push up the score.
Chat, somebody snipe no chat, one money gun snipe chat. One
Chat,
money
push up
gun
the score.
chat.
Chat, push up the score.
One money gun take the 4 nuggets chat. One money
Chat,
gun.
one money go on Galaxy. Chat, come on. Chat, come on now. Come on. Oh my. Chat, snipe.
One money gun snipe chat.
Chat, snipe. Oh my god. Chat, me don't understand Unu. To be honest, me don't understand Unu. Why Unu blood clot like this? Me don't understand Unu, chat. Me don't understand Unu.
Sheridan.
Unu not helping me.
Number
Unu
10
not
is
helping
Ava.
me. Unu just
Sheridan,
watch me.
thank you.
Unu not
Number
help
10
me.
is
Unu not
Ava.
tap. Unu not support me. Why you look me like that? Now you take my go get what?
Nothing.
Don't worry, I'll build up another one.
Right back. That. Do that style. That. You know the thing. Sheridan, big up yourself here, my dude. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sheridan. See if I can look smart if the help my God 10 now.
Why you need
We
this
need
stuff?
3.6k for go number 9. 3.6k for go number 9 chat. I wonder if somebody can help me go number 9.
Please, I beg you to chat first give triple, please.
We want 3.6k for go number 9 chat.
Tap play on the triple, chat triple. Chat triple.
Come on, use the triple chat. Use the triple chat. Use the triple. Use the triple. Anybody chat. Triple chat.
Thank you.
Alright then, chat. We'll take a look at time.
Teamwork. Chat teamwork.
We want 3.6k for go number 9. Somebody must come help.
We'll use Roger to build up our streaks.
Sheridan help we go number 10 there. Somebody got help we go number 9.
Chat, send in your daily hat me, please. Please. I beg you, no, please. Send in your daily hat me, chat. Let me see if I can go to my other account. I need to get it out of the
Everybody knows love. Power tap and work together, chat. Come on. Chat, this a 3 person with a rose now, chat. 3 person with a rose.
Chat, 2 more. Fresh, thank you. Kim, thank you. Chat, 1 more.
Alright, 2 more rows now, chat. 2 more rows.
Alright, chat. Use the double once it starts.
2 roses if we can, chat. 2 roses. 2 roses. 2 roses, chat. 2 roses. Anybody with 2 roses, chat.
I pray they don't cut.
1 more rose now, chat. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. Anybody with 1 rose. 1 more rose, chat. Come on, team. Somebody step up, chat. 1 more person with a rose. Pretty face, beg you 1 rose, no pretty face. Kayla Gordon, beg you 1 rose. No Rose Crew, Tommy, beg you 1 rose. No Mrs. S, beg you 1 rose. No Lataya. Benjamin, Mary, beg you 1 rose, no. Come on, chat.
No, come on now. Well done, thank you.
Oh, we get it. Thank you, Mrs. S.
Use the speed.
Thank you, dollar sign.
Use the speed.
Use the double now. Use the double now. Use the double now.
Fresh, thank you, Kim. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alpha Chops. Use the double, chat.
Use the double.
Use the double, chat. Use the double.
Use the double now.
Nobody beg you 1 galaxy in a chat. 1 galaxy me I beg on the chat. No. Nobody can beg a 1 galaxy chat. Or a money gun. Use the double chat.
Fresh, thank you. Ja, thank you so much. Chat,
Use
use
the
the
double chat. Chat, we
double.
can beg a Galaxy chat.
Chat, teamwork. Use the double, chat. Use the double. Ja, thank you. Fresh, thank you. Chat on the double. Let's go.
Everybody knows love. I forgot about some
Let's see if we
restart.
can rank up this night, chat. Please, I beg you no. Oh my god. It's 8k coins to go. We have 7k coins to go. 7 more k coins to go, chat. Let me see if I can rank up tonight. Chat, please. Can you help me out, please?
Everybody know flow chat. Power tap and work together as a team chat. Chat we need for power tap and work together. Nobody can beg one whale. I look a whale.
All right. Chat, please, pour it up on the screen for me. Pour it up for me, chat, please. 05 9080. 05 9080. I don't understand what going with this thing.
Classy, you want to go circle and see if you get some people to play with? See if it helps?
Y'all go now?
No, not really. But if you wanted to like make a round, you know, see if you can get some, probably 3 years are just boring.
Let me see if I can add people. Hold on.
We are add.
Let me check.
Tell me first who.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Miller Row, big up.
You know Jerome?
No, me don't know them people that classic. Me don't really want, I know everybody like me. Me don't really want you add just any random person. Because I might not know
should
them.
I bring Ricardo?
I
You
don't
know
know
Ricardo?
Me don't know names, so.
Ricardo Henry.
Me don't know them people that classy. So me have to go make you go and play with them little.
Okay, me have
you
one
want
soon.
to. Alright.
Alright.
I restart again, chat. Wait there. CK 1 second. A batty girl. Normally, the man them will hold the clutch purse. Real bad man will have the designer bag them. Them the hold it so. See the bag them, Raja. Me don't know where near, but me know the bag them. You see the bag them when the man that hold now, the designer bag them come with a little string. You don't have to hold the bag so.
Yeah, there.
The man them will have the bag them, it come with a little string. They put them hand through it like this, Raja, if you never know. They put them hand through it like so.
The go
and
yard
they
bag
stand up
them,
and
yeah.
take them picture. You stand up with the blood clot bag like it's a handbag you have. So you're a batty man. Right now, I bust it up, you know. Because remember the boy when did win the pageant show, immigration locked him up. You don't know the boy for that thing I can. You know the boy for 3 days. You send the boy the winning money on paper. You get the boy number. You text the boy in a foreign. You call the boy in a prison. And then you call my phone and tell me, say, Vani, you have one youth where you want help for get money for come out of prison. And when I ask you which boy that, you tell me, say, remember when we keep the pageant show, the boy will win the pageant show. Remember, say, the boy will win the pageant show, you have him number, your immigration all on him, and you want to help him get money. And I say, I remember who that what did Shabba, I think the one where win want the money, and Shabba must come second. Or no, one girl did win because a girl and boy. One girl did win named Caribbean, something like that. Media the winnings there. And then the boy win, and Raja figure the boy the winnings.
Roger, get the boy PayPal, me get the girl PayPal. Me send the girl the money. Roger said, Roger don't know the boy from nowhere because everybody did come new on the blood clot pageant show. Roger get the boy number and start chat with the boy. Immigration lock up the boy in 3 days. All that the boy they get Roger number. All that the boy they get so close to Roger with immigration lock him up. The first person to come to him mind for call is Rajisha for help him. Why never go send a bottom for help the man? You call me out of my bed. I tell me if I click live for help the boy because the boy getting in some trouble and you want to help him. As a Jamaican to a Jamaican, it's not so easy for a man just meet a man and want to help them with money financially. Yeah, but man.
You have to figure it out about
like
him, man.
I like you the man that come from far. You get what me I say? Real straight man. Me right or me wrong. Me I talk to the man them.
Chat me tired of Brenda, me gone. Chat me a go away, me tired of Brenda, cause she don't bust it. She over there chat about Roger and she said figure it out about him, man. So make she make sense. Me don't know, me gone. So, you know, me not come back. So nobody look for me. Cause she not make no sense. She not making one sense. And that's just the truth. Tomorrow, guys. Bye.
But you come every day want remind me what it happened to me. I want add on, I want continue bash me. But you now remember the things them. Remember the first you do and then take away your pin, you gotta make her. You gotta make her. And to the man still have you up, he never invite you in party. You forgot? You don't remember? Right, Zion, don't remember? Kind of like she don't remember. She need to remind her. Remember. Say, somebody can share the screen recording to me when he say, him believe what TikTok liar say, because she did tell him to him face, and that's why the other that's him block her. But she forget. She remember everything else but them there. And that's why you keep the empty party in America and never invite you. Can you have you up? Because some things that people will say about you are better than lick you. Because the lick can wear off and forget about me. Know that play in my head. It play in my head, so you tell him so. You tell him so him couldn't trick you. Remember good. You tell him so. If I got the voice note where you say I want to you making can't F you, so who a man ding dong? Who a man this, a man that, a man going? Come on know where you get your dictionary. But, me know of course, because everything we call people, it describe you and your life. That is why the man really, my son call you back. That is why the man really hate you, kind of forget. You see one thing me see about him, he forgive, but he not forget. He seems like the type of character in grave. And he's on for revenge. And he might take revenge. He might take revenge. He might make you lose everything for feel satisfied. Because the first revenge was you lost them kids. Y'all fight at the hotel after. Lose your freedom. Banned from the place that you once called home. And you just a loser, come convince to say I win. Because since you want to do with me, I can do with you. Anybody where they will keep party, no say, all of the affirm payment method them and the Klarna payment method them and the all kind of payment method them for buy ticket. If when you come here and have the money, it don't make sense. With the liquor sale there. Let's say you make a thing. Girl from me at 16, me I keep round robin. Regular day that. First and foremost, you and I know, say, only the members of the organization would have come. True or false? You knew that. So you never go for a regular venue. You go for one of the smallest venue. Chelsea Avenue is basically uptown. One of the smallest venue you go for. Smallest. When we look, I see one table with 2 sides for hours. Nobody not drink nothing. And you tell me say you make money? When you fly people in and fly people out and pay to let you make money? It's my problem because she not deal with that problem and she take out them out for me. That is why it's my problem. You could have tell me say you make money? So you could have make so much money and come back the next day and tear down people for beg? Yeah, come about team and this and that. All in your family will not have disagreement and will not cuss and go down the road one day. What you say? How much of your team member them and you go down the road? And that them and you. I don't know Jakes and I don't know where you cuss. I went wind that cuss. And him and none of we are cause. And we among each other are cause. All our no cause. Show me the platform where no disagreement na gone, whether it's on or off. And when I come on it, I'll soon come on. So what you say? About deflection. Somebody have a disagreement and you're so delusional. So you always a deflect. You assume that people are deflect? As lie that say you try to prove the point and left for the point. Come like the girl we breed for one man and the man left them with the belly. The things that you would say to make coins is crazy. So all if we wanted to go to something different today, all if we wanted to deflect, as you say, you need to allow it. Because you don't care about kids, you care about your kinds. So you need to allow no deflection. So nobody never try to deflect nothing. Because you don't allow it. Because the good father not sit well with you. The good father statement, it not sit well with you. It not well with your soul. And you can't take it up with who say it. So who out there so? I for feel it. I'm tired for get straight, girl. Cause your man when him trouble you. Cause your man when him trouble you. Cause to only want the money go nowhere other than fame doorstep. He couldn't even get one sensible somebody for organize and promote the party. You think you use that person for sit down and bully everybody and not do nobody not go support nobody and get support? Go cuss with your man and not me. So anybody at the fleck of you, because you don't want to remember when you said to sit in a voice note, and that's your problem. So you prefer, you choose, out of them I bring you down, so the man say, this on a relationship fake, or your pitney, I will get trouble at school. You choose that one day. You choose the man. You choose the man. Because nobody now see you for hush up or you for this and you for that. But sometimes you for rest mouth. And even big, you come Saturday and you do the most for forgot the things them where I go on prior to your party and your party. You want to take the beat now for everything where that go on. You say, two people you put in there, you never just do one. Can you say the brother and the uncle hold the girl? Can you throw the two of them out tonight? And you say it, you know? So two of them all get trouble at school, and that's because of you. So if you call trying to save the child from everything that gonna happen at school and all that, if you call that covering it, then so be it. If you call that covering it up, then so be it. You need to learn as a mother to cover things up. Come over here, come off here, son. We're blessing there. The two sorrel bear and the whole heap of water them. And the people that will walk up and down for hours. It's my problem because she not stop me. You forgot ask her when she over there, so attack who she think Jakes. I forgot if I ask her how that be her problem. Yeah, all him she put in it too. And when the things then come out, both her man or both she cover them up. Your friend then tell a tour about the man, and you not can tell we. Why you ain't come bust it? The things them where you learn from your community friends them. Wait, let me see if I can find when he say. Okay. I find the senior card in. No, wait. Chat on the power top. Chat on the beg on the sun tops. See me if I do puzzle. Chat beg on the sun tops. You're going like you're copied up. She had germs in a kill it dead them up by everybody else one. And true people are low. But me blame me. Me blame me no. Me blame me. Kalupal you was spit pan bully somebody spit pan them and then continue bully them. Me blame me. Me blame me. Nah, stop text it pa me. Nah, stop text it pa me. Nah, stop text it pa me. Blame me for that. Wait, don't worry. Me go find when he say him believe TikTok liar because you tell him. Wait, me go find it. When you ask him shoot at the over here, tear it down. Nobody say a deflection? Eh? Because the woman don't want me to. Nobody did say a deflection? Wait, me go find it. Yeah, wait. Since you want to make me the order the day for you, don't worry, me go find it. Chop beg no sun tops. Chop power top for me. Me I'll find it. Okay, like you forgot too easy. I'm not like that for you. You forgot too easy. I'm not like that for you. Wait. But yeah, Akim, cause no worry, you forgot. You know, remember when the platform them a ball because you not go down the hill. You know, remember when you and for your team, them a fall out. You know, remember? But you remember everything else. Somebody send me the screen recording now. Wait, let's see if I hit this. See if I hit this. Me I find it, chat, don't worry.
Buy them big old car that when we have TikTok and so hope.
Align people, yeah.
Bro, so yes, I don't know me no want to fuck up that thing there. Is this a song I said doesn't pay them no mind, G? You know say you know but is it just to me know people?
Exactly.
And that style, brother. Remember say me know.
Shame. Don't worry, I this young for we can't go and work that one there. Come don't worry, I forgot.
Is it because I only back in the games I think, bro? Now one day, that's why I should do that, bro, for people.
Yeah, because and then say, come on,
Angry bird.
You love me till I'm fools there.
Wait, I'm going to find the rest of them. Wait. Wait. I can find the rest of them. Because you think I forgot. Wait, me I look for the one from last year.
One night I'm going to a party. I'm stop in front of Taboo, right at Taboo, there is a buy one soon. And some bag of girl run over, you should make some money to find too. But no, she knows say.
Don't worry, Tickers, I'm coming to you.
A team jealous over a guy.
No worry, Tickers, I'm coming to you.
Jesus Christ.
Thank you, Aries. Chat on the port about sending some heart me in the meantime. Wait.
oh, what you mean? I don't know what you mean. My best friend is in a text me, I'm going to text you. If you text me, I'm going to text you. But if you don't text me, I'm going to text you. I don't like to bother people. I don't know what you do.
Lady Glock. Chat on the port about sending heart me.
You choose money over me. Nah. You choose money over me. Nah. What are we doing?
This is when the man block your finger gifter and make you have to come dead the story and apologize. So you alone now have people give you instructions, eh?
Well, guess what? Sometimes you have to get to the bag.
Exactly.
As a G, you have to get to the bag.
Exactly.
Anybody want to get to them bag, get to them bag. They don't have to do it with me. To get to the bag and make sure you say alright.
Release the woman Pitney. Release him, he not like you. He not like you, I promise you. Not like me then, I mind you. But I like what I do.
When she called me, this is exactly what I said to her. I just tell her me a thing. I not even say me about an emotional breakdown. I just tell her me just there a thing. That's what I said to her when she text me and I say what she said. When I listen to the voice note, when I said to her, when she said yo, me I say lower alone and them little thing there, that wasn't the case, bro. Me not even mean that because you know me. I'm vex for a minute, bro. Me not even normally vex. Me vex for a minute, bro. Just understand no beat.
Because understand.
Anything you have to do it on the phone.
He can vex you a minute and you can vex you a minute. You fool like fuck.
Bible.
Get into this.
Bible. God, man, we can't.
Get into this immediately.
Akeem was in love with the
Chata wish. Oh, any, my moderator, you always have the wait. Any, somebody share the live to Hennessy for me. Let me check Hennessy page. Because Hennessy not going to make nothing miss. Wait. Wait. I'm going to call Hennessy. Somebody share the live to Hennessy for me. The page where I make you forget nothing. All if you want to. Chat, share the live to Hennessy for me. Wait, make us see if NSC got that. Actually, fuck. working phone. Chat, share the live to Ellis if I'm in a please. My God, I'm the 2 time. 2 time. I got on the 2 time. Clown. Go. Boy, yeah, look company. Move. Oh, wait.
The night when me a drop her room, with the whole thing, and she said, Akeem, so you not start back a series. I said, tickers, and people, I look on her, I said, tickers, it done gone bad already. It didn't even make sense no more. Because real things are happen. Yeah, you them start get take away.
Who remember this?
Boy.
It's done, the general.
That's what you said. But I'm not going to hold you.
Mind you lost your kids. You lost your kids. And because on the talk back now, because he run for come help you to get them back out of guilt, because he knows that the black make you lose them. And he not like the beating. He would rather you get the beating. So him run come unblock you, and as you say, him come drive you there. And the first thing you ask the man,
the night when me a drop her room, with the whole thing,
this is when then go in care for go help get the pit them, listen.
And she said, Akeem, so you not start back a series. I said, tickers, and people, I look on her, I said, tickers, it done gone bad already. It didn't even make sense no more. Because real things are happen. Yeah, you them start get take away.
Who remember this?
And that is why it wasn't hard for him to tell who is the better parent. You understand? So he never tell no lie. And just by them look at something here, he knew right there and then who was the better parent.
So
the love series done, the general.
That's what you said. But I'm not going to hold you on that. That's your...
Oh, that's what I said?
Yes. Me never said that.
So what you saying?
People in love with. So why not continue it?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want you feel like nothing where you're forced in a bit. But just when you're comfortable at doing it.
Forced?
Yeah, yes. More you're comfortable because you also got to play the chat. Yeah, reason with your funny life.
I'm plugging that one. So when since you care about Pitney so much that you are class me over this, so you say me a this and me a that. And as I say, this is in no defense of anybody, this is in defense of me, moi.
Who remember this?
The night when me a drop her room, with the whole thing, and she said, Akeem.
Wait, any page I gonna have the rest of them. Don't worry, I'm gonna find the rest of them. Wait, let me see if I like this. No worry. No, I forget.
Who remember this?
Yeah, walk a big. Them go see no one there, Jaden, I know them go see no one there, And them go use stand.
Who remember this?
Yeah, walk a big. Them go see no one there, Jaden, I know them go see no one there, And them go use stand troll me. Down in the long run. You see the man keeping part and they invite you.
Right?
Let me buy. You care about me, care about him. Because what? You see at the party? Oh, come see this, God. Why?
Delusion. Long time for fool, A long time for fool, and a 2 days yesterday for fool, Don't worry, I'm coming down. Don't worry. You're going to hear who remember this. Don't worry, I'm coming down. Come on, remind you when you say tell him. Somebody can say forever diva. Nobody knows see any can send me. I'm gonna have to scroll through them. Yeah. Hennessy, wait, let me share the live to Hennessy. Cause that page I'm a moderator page. Wait, chat. They have the blood clot. Forget. Oh, Sarah. Anything come here. Come, I can't go through all your page them, all your video them right now. Cause too much. Remember this. Oh, NSC Rich. NSC, you can share the video to my page, the one when Akeem contact the reason why I did Black Rose the first time that series when I take away her pitney. Remember the one when I say when she on TikTok liar did catch up and he must when TikTok liar say me ask if him Ray and you say yes. You tell me say yeah. You know how should me attack NSC? Thank you, girl. Send it come give me. Share to my page, I'm log in that phone and play it for them. Come I go to your page, and it nah. No, I'm strength people from the community. We are come for you. But you are strength for me. Tell me when you share it. And you know, when I go to the one where you say, imagine me buy you one watch.